getting hot in here. Mm. Hmm. Well, it's good it's coming from one of their own. So that should make something to them. Mm. Buhari can't just sit there and blame everyone for Nigeria's woes. Nothing else is further. Mm. Oh, they've noticed as well. Okay. The Northern Elders Forum has accused President Muhammadu Buhari's government of running out of ideas and looking for excuses to cover up for its failures. The spokesman for the NEF, Dr. Hakim Baba Ahmed, said this on our channel's television program, during which he also criticized the government over the worsening state of insecurity in the country. Baba Ahmed, while responding to comments made by presidential aide Garbage Man, that the opposition was exploiting Nigeria's security challenges, noted that it was obvious that the presidency had run out of ideas. You can only do that by acknowledging the failure of the government to secure its citizens. Listening to Garba, to be honest, I just think that the presidency has run out of ideas. When they were confronted with a very serious challenge, they go around looking for all sorts of diversions and excuses. Nigerians don't want to hear any of this. We want a stop to the kidnappings, he said. Speaking on the rampant cases of kidnapping in the country, the spokesperson said, this thing has grown into a big industry right under the nose of the president. There is no way you can deflect attention from this. How do you explain the growing sophistication of the criminals in this country? We can't have a president that is just sitting there and then blaming everybody else for the woes of the country. That is not what we elected him for. The level of insecurity in the country has recently worsened, with killings and kidnappings on the increase. School children are being kidnapped in schools almost on a monthly basis, while the roads are also not safe. You guys created the monster now, so you have to learn to live with it. We are feeling the ripple effect of it too. So let's shop around the comments. The wild tiger, the not trained, released from its cage and directed at persons of other ethnicity and religion for political and economic gain, has turned round to devour the North too, cause it only recognizes human blood, which has no ethnic, religious, coloring, or taste. The sword they've been using against others, God has turned around against them. It's karma. I am only sorry for the innocent children victims, non-Fulanians, and Christians in North who are under attack, displaced, and their heritage seized. The reality is that members of the so-called presidency are only interested in looting, which is evident in the way and manner they've been sharing billions with impunity of late. For now, anything outside business is not attractive to those around Buhari. The whole of Nigeria can be kidnapped by bandits for all they care, as long as they don't come near Aso Rock, We all can shout till thy kingdom come, but they don't bite an eyelid. That's you. The next level still loading. Save your voice, Mr. Man, when I never cry. Oh, but you can see them lamenting and blaming President Muhammad Buhari for the risky state of the north, which has been going on for decades by the federal system of you rich, Abi, refusing to educate the poor, who have now turned round to be thorns in your flesh by taking up arms against you. And Mr. President is supposed to fix that, to fix all of that for you. What's a magic wand? While you stay there wailing against him? Security is everybody's business. You elders must play your part too. So yeah, there you have it. The havoc, the damage done by these so-called elders cuts across board. And they've said it that when they want to attack the masses, they are one indivisible entity, irrespective of the tribe, irrespective of the religion. They all come together and share the money. And together they put us in hell. They said the masses are in hell. The masses have nothing to lose. Now, they have everything to lose because it's just a matter of time. They're gonna taste the masses' hell. The masses' man-made hell. They will have a taste of it. They're gonna get as much as they give. They will be served hot from Karma's chef. So there you have it too. Except Buhari is busy pointing fingers. So the two of them, the elders, the politicians, the shameless so-called elders, and the politicians, and the boo-boo, it's a triangle. Let them be passing it around. It's your boomerang. So guys, until I come your way again, enjoy the drama. Bye.